Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by setting the accessibility shortcut so you can invert colors fast. Open Settings and tap Accessibility, then Accessibility Shortcut. Choose Display and Text Size from the list so the triple-click Home or Side button controls display options. Once done, you won't dig through menus each time. This sets the quick action. Make sure your device responds to a triple click and practice once to confirm the shortcut is active before proceeding to filter adjustments. Now you'll open Accessibility Display and Text Size to choose how to invert. If you prefer a full system flip, turn on Smart Invert. It preserves photos and UI contrast. For more control, enable color filters and pick the invert or grayscale option, then adjust intensity so images remain readable. Once configured, test in apps and Safari to confirm text contrast is improved. Make sure to compare Smart Invert versus color filters. Finish by using the triple-click shortcut to toggle the invert setting so you can switch quickly. If the colors don't change right away, restart your iPhone. A reboot often resolves display caching issues. If specific apps display wrong colors, return to Display and Text Size and Reset Settings, or switch between Smart Invert and color filters to find the best compatibility. If problems continue, make sure iOS is up to date before contacting support. Outdated software can cause inconsistent behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.